Very warm welcome to you, ladies and gentlemen. This is the official YouTube channel of AshEka Financial Planners. I'm Sandeep. I'm a personal financial planner and I regularly upload videos on personal finance. And if you find my videos useful, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you are informed every single time I upload a new video. Well, this video is actually an extension of the previous video I had made about how you could make a fortune out of your home loan by increasing your tenure of your home loan. If you haven't watched that video, I sincerely recommend you watch that first. The link to that is on your screen, on the top of your screen under suggested videos. Please click on that and watch that video before you come to this one. Right, without much ado, let me get into the topic right away. I had assumed that someone with a home loan of 50 lakh rupees at a rate of 8.5% for 20 years would be paying an EMI of 43,391. And if they went to the bank and increased the tenure from 20 years to 30 years, the reduced EMI would be 35,481. Now I'm of course assuming that they have repaid for 5 years. And after that, they decide that, okay, let me go to the bank and increase the tenure to 30 years. So at that point of time, the remaining number of years would be 15. But when they increase it by another 10 years, the new tenure is 25. So the EMI reduces to 35,481 and the reduction in EMI is 7,910. If they invest this reduced EMI, that is the saving of 7,910, in an SIP, which gives 12% return year on year, they would earn about 1.34 crore rupees in 25 years. And the interest that they would pay, the additional interest they would pay by extending the home loan is about 8.24 lakh rupees. And therefore, the net gain for them would be 126 lakhs or 1.26 crore rupees. So that's a sizable amount of gains. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about people who do not want to increase the home loan tenure. They would like to close their loan after 20 years. Now, you could still do that by increasing your tenure. I'll tell you how, right? So we have 7,910 per month. Instead of investing it for 25 years, you invested only for the 15 years that was remaining in your original loan. Remember, in 20 years you have repaid 5 years, 15 years were remaining. So invest this amount just for 15 years and the corpus would be 37.3 lakh rupees. I'll just take you to that calculation here. Yeah, 7,910 in 50 for 15 years at 12% will give you about 37.6 lakh rupees. In fact, I have entered the wrong number here. It's 37,64,617. 37,64,617, right? At the end of 20 years, you would have this amount with you as a corpus. Now, how can you close the loan? Let me take you to the loan schedule. Now, in the initial calculation, remember, after you repaid for 5 years, your outstanding was 44.06 lakh rupees, right? And then you extended your tenure. So now the same 44 lakh 6,359 at 8.5% for 25 years. Now technically you've extended the loan, right? So let me go to the repayment schedule. This is assumed the loan has started in April 2015. Now, from this point of time, you're investing only for 15 years. So from 2015, you need to go down and look at 2030, right? 15 years from now, at the end of March, your outstanding would be 28,61,717. You get me? If this is confusing, let me repeat. Let me go back to the Excel sheet. So instead of keeping the loan for 25 more years, what I'm saying is you technically extend it for 25 more years, but invest this amount only for 15 years. Okay, 15 years from today. Now, assuming the loan, okay, let me just make it April 2020, right? Let me make it April 2020. Got it? So now this outstanding amount of 44 lakh 6,359 started in April 2020, and you have 15 years left of your original loan tenure. So in 2035, in the month of March, you would finish that term, and your amount would be, the outstanding amount would be 2861,717, right? 2861,717. But what is the corpus you have here? 37 lakhs. So the gain would be 37 lakh minus 28 lakh is equal to 9 lakh. So you could pre-close your loan at the end of 20 years and also be left with a corpus of 9 lakh extra. Now this amount will become even bigger when you consider bigger loan amounts. Let's take the case of 75 lakh. You're investing 11,865 for 11,865 for 15 years at 12%, and I calculate, you get a corpus of 56,46,926. 56,46,926. All right. Now in a 75 lakh loan, what was the outstanding? The outstanding was 66,09,539. So let me go back to the home loan calculator and enter the amount here and calculate, right? So you're starting in 2020 and your loan completes in the year 2035 in the month of March. So 42,92,576 is your outstanding. 42, what was that again? 42,92,576, and your corpus would be about 56. So your gain here would be 56 minus 42. It would be 13,54,000. So you could pre-close your loan at the end of 20 years and also be left with a big corpus by doing just two things. One, extending your home loan tenure by another 10 years, maybe 5 years if you're eligible for just 5, and basically just extend it to the maximum possible. And in the reduced EMI, that is the amount that you save every month, invest it elsewhere in an SIP, probably at 12%. And you could not just pre-close your loan at the original planned date, but you could also be left with an additional corpus. Well, isn't that amazing, guys? I'm going to be doing that right away, actually. Thank you so much once again for watching, and I truly appreciate that you have been coming back to watch my videos. Please leave your comments and share your love. Thank you once again. This is Sandeep signing off for now. Bye-bye.